Want to turn your AI avatar into a content money machine? In this video, I'll show you step by step from text prompts to fashion reels, how to make scroll-stopping videos that can earn affiliate commissions and brand deals. Grab a pen and let's get started. Before we start, make sure you're logged into Google Gemini. If you have a paid Gemini plan, great, to speed things up, but the free tier works to begin. Also, open a new tab with ChatGPT and a Pinterest tab for outfit searching.
First up, ChatGPT. This is where we build the perfect prompt for our model. Just tell it how you want your avatar to look: skin tone, hair, outfit, lighting, all that. Copy that prompt, we're going to use it in Gemini. Now head to Gemini, paste in the prompt and hit generate. And boom, look at this. She looks like a real model. If it's not perfect, tweak the prompt in ChatGPT, add lighting, camera lens type or skin details, then regenerate. I usually run 2-3 variations. Next, open Pinterest and search for the outfit vibe you want: French fall outfit, street style fall, editorial autumn fashion. Take your time, this builds your brand aesthetic. Download a few outfit images that match your direction. Focus on images from brands: Shein, Fashion Nova, Amazon Fashion. Later, you can reach out to them for partnerships once your content gains traction. Back to Gemini. Upload your avatar. Upload the outfit. Paste your prompt and hit generate. Check the output. If the avatar looks fake like mine, that usually means the prompt was too short. Go back to ChatGPT and tell it what you want, even where you want your avatar to be. Copy the prompt and go back to Gemini to generate again. See this, she's rocking the look and her face stays consistent. That's the magic right there. Now you've got a fashion series from one avatar. I am going to run this one more time with a different outfit. Just look at that. Wow, she looks great. She looks so real. Now for the fun part. Open Google AI Studio. Click on Generate Media. Then click on VEO. Upload the image. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and write a short action prompt like she's posing for a video. Hit generate. And there it is, a full-on fashion reel ready for TikTok, Instagram or YouTube Shorts.
And here's the thing, these aren't just pretty videos. You can plug in affiliate links, tag brands, even page UGC deals. Fashion Nova, Shein, Amazon Fashion, they all pay for this type of content. That's where the money comes in. If you want me to show you how to build an avatar from scratch, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe because I've got way more coming, from UGC to affiliate marketing strategies, all with AI. See you in the next one.